Okay. Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and as you can see, I've been playing in wigs again. Now this time I brought my friend Miss Josephine to share with you guys on my channel. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, all the details on where you can get Miss Josephine, how much I paid for it, all that good stuff, you know what to do. Keep watching. I picked up this wig, and this is a Bobbi Boss Lace, okay, first class hair wig, and this is from their Updo Revolution. So it says it's a natural, partial, and full updo line, which I really like. This is a 3x2 hand-tied deep lace. As you can see, or can't, this lace goes pretty far back, so it is in fact a deep parting lace wig. It's a 360 lace wig, which you did see in the install part of it. I'm learning how to work with 360 lace, specifically on synthetic wigs. If you saw my Maximina video, that was my first time kind of dealing with a 360 effect on specifically a synthetic lace wig, mostly because the lace that is used on the back, or the back half of the 360 versus the front half of the 360 lace, are two different textures. Like, one is softer than the other. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 other wigs in this Updo Revolution series from Bobbi Boss, and I think it's super cute. It comes with baby hair. It comes with a flex fit cap, which means it's pretty comfortable for everyone, no matter whether you team Peanut Head Gang, what's up, I see you, or you know, you team Endowed Head Gang. It works for everybody. This one caught my eye because you do see some synthetic wigs that come pre-styled, whether it's with braids or twists or an updo or a high ponytail, but this one caught my eye because it has this really cool unique part lace on it, where the top part where the updo is pre-styled comes with a little I don't know, how would you call it, like a patch right here, kind of like a cap, but then around the cap you have lace parting, which is really hard to find, most especially in synthetic pre-styled wigs. More times than not, you'll try to finesse or like kind of put some concealer to create a parting look, on a synthetic cap, but this cap specifically comes with lace on these sides right here and also in the middle to create that deep parting illusion for the updo. And of course, you know, I had to pick this one up in HL purple / green, which I am living for right now, only because I'm experimenting with different looks. I'm experimenting with different colors. You know, summer is right around the corner. Okay, my birthday is coming up. Woo woo, Team Gemini. Don't hate. I heard what you said, but that's fine. And I love that it's not like just jumping out at you. It has like very black, dark roots, and then it goes into this gorgeous, like subtle green and purple. And I've been looking for this shade of green for a really long time because I love the deepness of it. So you know how we do on my channel. I'm going to keep it 100% all the way honest with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into my pros and cons of Miss Josephine. Now, of course, for the pros, the first pro right off the bat for me is going to be the color. I don't usually mess around with pre-styled coloring with synthetic wigs, only because you don't really know what you're going to get when you order these kind of wigs. I find it a little bit easier to mess around with pre-colored human hair, only because you can tone it darker or make it a little bit lighter if you want. Sometimes with synthetic wigs, what it looks like online looks completely different than what you get in the mail. So I was pleasantly surprised to get this in the mail and see that it blended perfectly, especially when it comes to blending two different colors like purple and green. And the dark roots are not blunt, if you know what I mean. Sometimes when you see dark roots on a wig, it's just like, it's a little harsh. This one blends and transitions perfectly, I feel, from black to green to purple. Now for my next pro, I'm going to have to say, you know, here on Simply Tea TV, we all love us some versatility, okay? There's nothing wrong with the classic middle part bust down. You know, I'm personally a side part girl, and we love ponytails as well. We love versatility. We've seen plenty of versatile styling in wigs, but I will say that the Updo Revolution series really captures it almost perfectly because of their particular attention to the parting used to create the updo. What helped sell it for me is that not only does it come with the wig pre-styled in an updo, but you also have an option to take this down and turn it into a regular middle part long hairstyle. It doesn't have the length on the stock card, but I would hazard to guess this is maybe like 24, 26 inches long. So if you're looking for something long and flowy, this is the mermaid do for you. There's not a lot of cons, but you know, let me just give them to you anyway. Bobbi Boss is by far one of my favorite synthetic wig hairlines, especially when it comes to premium synthetic hair. Not just because of the type of styles that they give us, but their wigs are constructed amazingly. The pre-plucking looks pre-plucked. It's never too bulky. It's never too like, they layer perfectly. However, if I'm going to advise my friends on here whether or not to spend their coin on this particular wig, I will say that this is not one that we can sleep in. I tried to do it. I'm gonna just put it that way. I tried to do it. Now it is a heat safe wig, so worst case scenario, you can always grab your curling wand or grab your curling iron or even your straight iron and style it or restyle it to your liking. But this is going to be one that we need to grab some glossy spray for, or some type of synthetic wig spray, just to make sure that we preserve the styling to our best ability. It started to tangle up just a little bit even while I was styling it, and I tried to comb through it, and it got a little tangled and puffy. So as glossy as it is, as nice as the curls are, you are going to have to pay a little more attention to maintaining it. And I would definitely advise, you know, not keeping it on overnight and just kind of putting it off to the side and then putting it back on the next day. Will I suggest to you to buy this? Would I say it's worth the money? Yeah, definitely. Because I mean, look at it. It's super cute. I really didn't have to do much. Like I said, it's the Updo Revolution. It comes like this straight out of the pack. So you know how this goes. I'm going to give you guys a couple of angles. I'm still getting used to this wig, and most especially seeing myself in this kind of color. But go ahead and let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. If you saw my previous hair video, you saw that I'm still experimenting with different colors and creating colors of my own. So if you think there's anything else that I should try, you know what to do. Drop it down in the comments below. Thank you as always for clicking play, and I will see you guys next time, same place. Peace out.